So this video aims to demonstrate the problem I'm having with HDR colors in Windows using my Aero 15 OLED, which has an internal Intel 630 GPU and a NVIDIA 2060 GT or RTX nowadays. So to show you scrolling behavior with a normal, it's nice and smooth. If you look at the CPU consumption when scrolling and the GPU consumption, you will see that the desktop window manager is using about 15-16%, Chrome is using about 13%, and it's pretty acceptable. Now, as we switch to HDR colors, there we go. Colors look quite a bit better in my opinion, but once I go back, you see the scrolling is a bit jerky, and if we look at the GPU consumption, we see that Google Chrome and Desktop Window Manager are using crazy amounts of GPU. So essentially the frame rate is limited to, I don't know how many FPS in games. It typically gets stuck around 40 unless I use exclusive full screen, which forces the NVIDIA GPU to be used only. But yeah, it becomes impossible to use the system with HDR colors normally this way. Interesting thing is, if I connect the television with HDR on the second port, which goes directly to the NVIDIA GPU, I don't have the problem on the screen. If I move the window to the screen, it scrolls smoothly. If I keep it on the laptop screen, it gets jerky. So there's clearly something going on with the Intel GPU. I've had a bit of a look online about what can be done to resolve the problem, and different users have found different solutions. I have not been able to find one, so I'm hoping that Gigabyte can help me to resolve this matter. Thanks.